today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
Hey everyone, this is MC Barber. Here I have a very exciting haircut for you and a beard. If you take a look here, I have a gentleman that has a slightly round shaped head. The beard is round as well. So I'm gonna do here undercut and make the hairstyle and create a shape of his head more square, more masculine. So here, first thing we do, we divide the hair in the horseshoe shape, our first section, and we get that out of the way, so it is a lot easier for us to work. Our next step is what I call foundation creation for the hairstyle. In the same time, I remove the bulk. I'm using 1.5 as usually, since this is going to be quite a short haircut. With this first technique, I will create the shape, which ideal shape for men's hairstyle is square. So here I'm working on creating the shape, and at the same time we are removing the bulk, which is the best part. This is usually the first step to all my haircuts, obviously the short haircuts. Now my next step here is starting my fade from 0, and here now I'm just kind of blending that between 0 and 1.5. So now I'm using 1/8 of an inch here, or otherwise known as 1. Now I'm down to 1/16 of an inch, or half of 1. After that is done to connect the sides with the top. I'm using straight edge razor, a sculpting technique, to blend. This undercut is not, this is what I call professional undercut. It's not, the hair is not faded all the way to the line, to the top of the section. Rather, it's slightly longer, as you can see from the section down. I like using straight edge razor. It really gives you a nice finish. As you can see, that is all done so far with the straight edge razor blending technique. You can go back with your scissors and kind of refine it a little bit, but it definitely makes your job a lot easier. To create some texture on the top, we're going to use a point cutting or notching technique, depends how you were taught to call it. Some people call it notching, other people call it point cutting. It gives you a texture, a little bit more movement, softer cut. You take about 1/4 of an inch sections, starting from the crown going forward. The reason I like to start from the crown is because when you like to leave the front longer, it is a lot easier to control the over directing and leaving the front longer. So once you start over directing, it's a lot easier to just pull the hair back. And there it is, the haircut is almost done. Going over and checking if there is any long spots. Always cross-check your work. So now we're gonna kind of create a square shape on his beard and trim it down a little bit. I prefer using scissors over edges when it comes to long beard trimming. Having beard myself for the last 15 years, I tried trimming it with clippers and tried trimming it with scissors, but I always found out that it comes out way better when I use the scissors instead of the clippers. You have to be very careful when you do scissor trimming. Since you are using freehand, you are really not using a comb. You comb out the beard first, so the beard is kind of standing out, and then freehand just remove the excess hair or the hair that you like. As you can see, not much hair is coming out, but I'm actually cutting hair. It's not that I'm not cutting, but I want to make sure that I don't just take chunks out. I want to create a shape that I desire for the beard. So you have to be kind of careful when it comes to beard trimming. It is very easy to just take too much off. And all it takes is take too much off on one spot, and then you gotta keep up. You gotta keep going, to fix it up, and it just gets shorter and shorter, and next thing you know, it's almost all gone. As you can see, the beard is actually coming along very nice. It's coming square here, a little bit showmanship. This was one of my signature techniques at barber competitions, using both scissors at the same time. Trimming the mustache is very important. You gotta use the comb on that. You cannot go freehand. Now, as you can see, how we really changed the shape of his head. Came more to a square shape. So now even the lines on the top of the beard, you don't want to make them round. Depends on the shape of the head, the shape of the face. If the person has a round face, you want to square them a little bit. If he has a square face, you want to maybe round them slightly. So you kind of offset it a little bit. And here, just to clean up with a straight edge razor. There it is, folks. Your finished product for the beard. I'm going to use a new product by Layrite. It's concentrated beard oil. It's actually beard oil, but it's highly concentrated, so it's very thick. Once you spread it on your hands, it kind of gets really oily, and it keeps the hair moisture and healthy looking, and add some shine to your beard as well. He has a nice scent too. And for the hair, I'm going to use natural matte cream by Layrite. This product I really like. It gives you a nice texture. It has matte finish. It has medium hold. As long as you blow dry the hair and set it in place, this product will hold all day, and it will give you a really nice finish. I use it a lot myself, so it's definitely a nice product. And there it is. The client is very happy. He's got nice, what I call professional undercut. Although the top is slightly a little bit long, but it still looks good. The beard looks good. Thanks for watching my video.
Hey, this is MC Barber. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe. Even if you didn't like my video, subscribe anyway. I have many more coming. mcbarber.com is my website. Until next time, work hard, stay positive, and take care of yourself.